Have you ever gone looking for a very specific video, and it just wasn't there? Well, we're about to explore a new platform that says that's a problem of the past. It's called Tathastu AI, and its whole idea is not just about finding content, but about creating it instantly. Let's get into it. You know the feeling, right? You have a really specific problem, like, I don't know, how to fix the wobbly leg on this exact model of an antique chair. You type it in, and you get nothing, just crickets. It's that moment where your curiosity just hits a brick wall. And that exact frustration is where our story starts today. So let's break this down. What's the real problem here? Why do these searches keep coming up empty? This next part is all about unpacking that core issue, the one that Tathastu AI was basically born to solve. And this, right here, this really gets to the absolute heart of it. We are all living inside a box, defined by a very simple rule. If a person hasn't taken the time to create a video about something, well, you just can't watch it. Our entire access to video knowledge is completely bottlenecked by what's already been made. This line from Tathastu AI's own pitch just spells it out perfectly. And because of this, they say it creates a massive long tail of unanswered queries, which is really just a fancy way of saying there's this huge invisible universe of questions that people are asking every single day with no videos to answer them. So this begs the obvious but really powerful question. What if we could just shatter that model? What if your ability to watch something had absolutely nothing to do with whether a creator decided to make it? This is the moment we pivot from the problem to a pretty radical new idea. And that idea, that solution, is Tathastu AI. And if that name sounds a little different, it's because the mission behind it is incredibly ambitious. So let's see what it's really all about. Tathastu, so be it. I mean, just think about that for a second. It's such a powerful phrase. The whole idea is that whatever you want to see, whatever you ask for, the platform just says, so be it, and makes it real. The name is the mission. And this quote is where they really draw a line in the sand. I want you to notice the keyword here, consumers. Almost every AI video tool out there is built for creators to help them make stuff. Tathastu AI completely flips that script. It's a platform built from the ground up for the viewer. Okay, here's the concept in a nutshell. Just picture it. Think about the apps you use every single day, but instead of the feed being filled with content from millions of different people, it's all generated instantly by AI, specifically for what you want to see. It's a huge shift from a creator-first world to an on-demand AI-first world. So at the end of the day, it all boils down to this. They want to create the shortest, most direct line possible between your intent, the thing you want to know or see, and the content that satisfies it. No more digging, no more scrolling, no more settling for close enough. Just ask and watch. All right, that all sounds great. Maybe even a little bit like science fiction, but how does it actually work? Let's get practical and look at what this thing looks like from the user side. The whole process is actually beautiful in its simplicity. 1, you search for what you want, just like you would anywhere else. 2, the AI kicks in and literally generates a video from scratch to answer your query. And 3, and this part is so important for how the platform grows, that new video is now available for the next person who asks the same question. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Step 1, it's clean, it's familiar, it's just a simple search bar. You type in what you need, in this case, how to punch, and then, bam! This is where the magic happens. The AI doesn't just go find a pre-existing video, it creates one tailored for you. Or you can just browse a feed that it thinks you'll like based on your interests. They're pitching it as a totally new, smarter way to learn and to be entertained. Now, this is a really cool idea. The AI isn't just a dumb machine churning out videos. It's designed to act like a self-sustaining creator. That means it actually learns from feedback, it adapts its style, and it gets better over time, all by itself, without a human pulling the strings. Okay, so we've seen the problem they're solving and the product they've built. We get the what and the how. Now let's zoom way out and look at the why now, the bigger picture, the market, and where this whole thing could be going. This chart says it all, really. You've got your traditional social media giants on one side, and then you have this absolutely explosive, exponential growth of AI-driven content. And Tathastu AI is planting its flag right there, at that perfect intersection where those two worlds are about to collide. So with an idea this big, where do you possibly start? Well, you get smart about it. You don't try to do everything at once. Their game plan is to focus on these 4 key areas first. Think about it. Health, DIY, education, cooking. These are all categories where people are constantly looking for specific how-to information. It's the perfect training ground for this AI.
And this all brings us to the final piece of the puzzle. We've seen the problem, we've seen the product, we've seen the incredible potential. So what's next for anyone who's intrigued by this?
Right now, the team is building out its very first community of users. They're calling it the Launchpad, and it's basically an invitation to be one of the first people on Earth to try this new way of watching video. So if you're one of those people who's tired of your searches hitting a dead end, you can head over to their website and sign up for the waitlist. You'll get early access and updates. And it really does leave you with a fascinating question to chew on. Are we on the verge of a future where the line between searching for a video and creating one just completely disappears?